Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today while I was at the dump, someone next to me was throwing away these two pairs of loppers. This one here is pretty stiff, but I picked it up because I need this nut and bolt. This one's in pretty good shape, other than the nut and bolt. Blade's in good shape, it's not beat up, doesn't even look like it was used much. Could use a sharpening, but it's not bad. Handle's in decent shape. I'm trying to get the brand name over here. These may be from a dollar store, they may be from Lowe's or Home Depot. Anyway, I'm going to take this one apart, get this nut and bolt out. And this nut is one of the lock nuts. Should sharpen this first. I want to get it together, make sure everything is okay. I'll see what could be wrong with it. There we go. Reclaim, repair, reuse, recycle. I believe I'm doing all three with this particular tool. There we go. Nothing wrong with this at all. Now this other pair, this thing looks like it was used to cut barbed wire. When I sharpen the other one, I'm going to clean this up and see how we make out. I want to move this camera and show you what else I picked up today. This hand cart is all handmade, and it looks like it's all from recycled and reclaimed materials. The bend over here, done with a torch, obviously. This piece of scrap metal, single iron. Chain, who knows where this came from. This pipe, another piece of scrap. We have a piece of diamond plate that was probably laying around. This little bar for a brace. And on the side we have this holder made out of pipe. Get a better view. Check out these wheels. Even these wheels are recycled. These wheels, you can see the gears on the inside. That's from a lawnmower, self-propelled lawnmower. Maybe this axle came from that lawnmower also. You even have a little striker. Need the flint in it. These brackets to hold the hose are made of pegboard brackets. Well, back to this, sharpened it up, and I just realized something. This is an extendable handle on it. It's between 2 to 3 feet. Didn't realize that when I picked it up. And this other one, it's cleaned up pretty nice. Look at this. I don't know what this guy was cutting with these things. But the blade cleaned up fairly nice. Once I get another nut and bolt for this, I'll keep this in the back when I'm working out in the field. To be the tool shed back there. Handle isn't bad on it. This I can't get over though. Somebody throwing this out. These go anywhere from $20 to $30, depending on the brand and where you get them. This more than paid my trip to the dump today. And I'm not even counting the hand cart that I have for the gas tanks. If you're in the market for a set of loppers, I have a link posted in the description along with a grinder. And if you don't have Amazon, it's to Amazon. If you don't have Amazon, I have a link for a 30-day free trial. It's in the description down below. Well guys, if you enjoyed this video, let me know by posting your comments down below, passing it along, giving it a like, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe. Until next time, stay safe.